Hello everyone and welcome to Cyberblink. In this tutorial we will be learning what is an XSS attack. But before we start, if you guys are really enjoying my content, please make sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. It will really help me a lot to see if you guys are really enjoying or not. So let's dive into it. What is an XSS attack? XSS stands for cross-site scripting. So in XSS, the attacker injects JavaScript malicious code into the website. As theories are a bit complicated, we will be focusing on practicals more. So as I have a website here, I'm again hiding the domain for security reasons. So in XSS, what we do is to look for parameters in URLs or look for forms. But as I can't see any form here, I'll look for parameters. So you can visit any URL. I'll be visiting this one, gallery.php. But we haven't got any parameter till now. So I'll wait and see if I can so matter or not. So as you guys can see, we've got this parameter, this id is equals to 131. So we'll try to inject some basic JavaScript code. Now let's execute it. Now we've got interrupted by the firewall. Now to bypass it, if you have watched my previous video, you can do this. But if you haven't, I'll link the video above. Now I'll execute this. As this website is also vulnerable for SQL injection, so we are getting this error, but we successfully exploited the XSS vulnerability. Thanks for watching.